Previously, I've been saved! Yay! Everyone applause for me being saved.
Yay!
Ian, you're not applauding.
Yay.
Yay! I've been saved.
Yay.
So now we will do the finale. This is the last corruption part. Alright.
I did.
Well, I'm glad you're saved. Because if you weren't, then the whole world would be corrupted.
Well, I'm glad you're okay now.
Yeah, but it's not over yet.
Yeah. Where's Raymond Demon?
Hello there. Oh no, I am not letting you re-corrupt me.
It's no use! Take that!
No! Oh, no, not the edge. It's his true form. So that's how it's gonna be. Okay, well, let's go back to where it all started.
Oh, wait. What are you talking about?
Wait. What the heck? Where did he go?
What are you doing? What are you doing with my friend? What about me? No! Thank you, Master, for bringing me back.
Agner. Where are we?
Guys, look.
What is it?
It's us from the past. Well, we're here. You like roboing, right, David?
Look for trap. I guess.
Alright, then let's go. Wait, we skipped the part.
Wait, what? How's that possible?
Ooh. And ooh. That does... Alright. Ian.
What? Wait, what? How's that possible?
I don't know. Wait, what? I thought I had construction worker trap you guys. Whatever. Just come over here.
Okay.
Wait. Don't I remember there being two of you? Who's this right here?
I am.
Yep, I see it.
Alright, well, let me show you my next plans for you guys since you escaped so fast. Oh. Wait, this is the obstacle course that Agner said something about in part 2, woohoo.
Wow.
I remember this, only this time there ain't no corruption taking over me this time. Yay!
So
Okay, seriously, why are we being put through obbies? Just part after part, we're being put through obbies. Please tell me this is the last one. I don't want to do any more obbies.
Ooh,
Looks like we made it to the X-ray room. Look at that giant skeleton. Okay, I remember this part. I recall. Agner tried. Oh, well, he just died. That's not what happened in part 2, woohoo. But in part 2, woohoo, at this tightrope part, he tried to use click to move, and he said, click to move ain't working. So, yeah, I'm just gonna... Oh, wow, I hit puberty. Alright, I just hit puberty now. Okay.
Let's see if click to move works now.
Wow, he's literally recapping it. This is not... This is... Dude, we gotta get out of here before our past selves appear here, because then it's gonna screw up our timeline. I know how time works.
Oh, click to move works now. Okay, maybe it doesn't.
Ian,
What?
have you ever heard of click to move?
Okay, click to move stopped working.
Have you ever heard of click to move? Go to the menu, press escape, go to settings, and then change movement mode click to move. That's how you get click to move, like this.
Well,
Wherever you right click is where you move. I'm gonna change it back. I'm gonna change it back to keyboard plus mouse.
Looks like click to move doesn't work.
Yep, here's the either diseases or vaccines.
Yeah, it's probably disease.
Okay.
And I died.
Would you like to buy Star Boost?
Would you like to buy Pet Zombie?
Wait, Ian's leaving without us? Alright, never mind. And then this is... Oh, I don't want to do it. Okay, I have to. No, wait. Okay, well, it's too late now. I already fell down. No, wait, Ian, don't leave without... No, wait, don't leave without David. Hold on, you can take your checkpoint. Oh, wait, speed run is at this next one. Alright, we all gotta get ready and yeah. Yeah, we all gotta get ready on the count on 3 and then we all start running. Cause that's what makes it fun. So let's all get in our positions. All get in our positions until I count on... Alright, here we go. Positions. 3, 2, 1, go! What does the Morshu beatbox sound like? I bet Agner knows because he done it. He done. I think he either done it in part 1 or part 2.
Back to
Elevate. We elevated. Oh wait. Take the checkpoint. Go in here.
Oh.
I think me and Agner knows every nook and cranny in this joint. Alright, here we go. We're gonna slide down. Slide down. No, stop doing that. Alright. Alright, let's jump on the... No, wait, no. Hey. Come on, you don't want to leave him behind, do you? Okay, he's here. Take your checkpoint. Agner, take your checkpoint. Alright. Did he eat pizza bites or bagel bites?
Bagel bites.
I thought he ate pizza bites, and these are the pepperonis. Wow, I just made the same stutter from last time. And then there's the heart. There's the first heart. I remember the dude has 2 hearts in his body. I'm inside his heart. I'm inside his heart. His heart consumed me. Yeah, only this time his perspective is not being shown on screen anymore. It's my perspective now, but that doesn't mean that this is my perspective of part 2 woohoo. Bones. Also, I was wrong. Stomach acid is not the only part of our body that's inside of our body. Alright, I know how to do this. Click to move. We do click to move here. I can't get out of shift lock. That's just great. I can't use help. I can't get out of shift lock.
Tesla autopilot. Let's go.
That's just great. Wait, Ian! I need to turn off shift lock.
I'm turning off click to move.
It's still broken! I'm stuck in shift lock forever.
Well, I'm died.
Yes, you died. We all died. Wait,
I'm died again.
I can't get this off my screen. There we go. Wait, what if I... Nope, that doesn't work.
Second heart. Alright, we wait here.
Just have to skip that one. And his second heart.
Right?
Yeah, there are 2 hearts in his body.
Yeah, the second second heart is right there.
Look at us climbing. And the camera zooming in so dramatically.
Wow, that was really cool.
Alright, go down, go up.
Oh, hello, Pat.
Go down, go up. Go down, go up.
That's how you do that.
Alright, don't touch the turds.
Are you serious?
No, I jumped on it.
How? Here we go.
I did it. Now this is the part that don't really make much sense in the world. Wait, where are they? Oh, well here's Ian.
Are you serious?
You're not supposed to touch the turds. Also, this don't really make much sense. Where's the dude? Like, we're supposed to be in his pants or something. Instead, we just came out of thin air.
He has no pants. That's the problem.
And he has no butt either. We just came out of thin air.
Are you serious? I'm dead again.
We just came out the midst of the air. Ian, does that make much sense to you?
No. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Hold on, wait, what if I reset? Is that gonna fix my shift lock? Nope, it's not. Why does shift lock gotta do this to me? I'm stuck in shift lock. Oh, finally. Wait, was that you or was that someone else? Oh, I thought I escaped shift lock.
I finally got into the sewers from the toilet.
Hold on, wait, respawn me back over there, please.
Alright.
And this is where the corruption, you know, took over.
Telegun.
And then I remember in part 4 Roar, everyone kept saying, "Hey, over here!
Hey, over here!
Hey, over here! Hey, over here!"
Hey, over here!
Alright. Well, we did it. Well, me and Ian did it.
No, I escaped the sewer. Now we go to
So
heaven.
this is where the corruption, you know, took over, but you know, you don't have to worry about anything. Get over here. I'm kidding. All right, well, we beat it. Now let's get out of here and tell that freaky lemon head guy that we did it.
You won, but can you find the secret badge?
Actually, I'm sorry, what?
Yay, we beat it.
Wait a minute. Guys?
Wow.
We're not there anymore. Look. They're not there anymore.
Aw, crap.
Hey, look, man. I don't know if you know this, but we're from the future. So can you please just send us back to our timeline before our past selves meet up with us? Okay. I don't know why you didn't tell me that sooner, but okay. Let me just go and send you back, and then send you back.
Wait, did I just... Oh, okay. Hey, have you seen Austin? That weird construction worker dude took him away.
Oh, well, you gotta go find him.
Man, where's Austin? I actually have to find him right this instant.
Where's Austin? I actually have to find him.
Yeah, I don't know where he is.
This instant.
So I'm gonna go find him.
Yeah, I don't know where he is. So I'm gonna go find him.
Agner.
Oh, hello. Welcome back. Guess who's back? Ha ha ha. No! How could you?
Really, bro? Your corruption worker is so way smaller than you, so...
Wow.
You saved me. Thank you. What? Please. Spare me. No, kill him. He's caused enough damage. We don't want corruption happening again.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kill or spare?
Come on, don't spare. Kill. Come on, don't kill. Spare. Or for a third option, you could just not interact at all. Well, you got your 3 options. What's it gonna be? Come on, Agner, just make up your mind. A little sooner would be nice. Come on, just hurry up. Make up your mind already. Just do it.